In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save or convert files as SVG, also known as vector graphics, using GIMP. If you've been wondering how to turn your images into versatile vector files right from GIMP, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your image in GIMP. To do this, go to the File menu located at the top left of the GIMP interface and select Open. Browse through your files until you find the one you want to work with. Then, click Open again to bring it into GIMP. Now, if the image you're working with is a raster image, which means it's made up of pixels, you'll need to trace it first. Raster images are common and often include photographs and other pixel-based artwork. To transform these into vector paths, select the Path tool. This tool is easily recognizable as it looks like a pen icon on the GIMP toolbox. Once you've selected the Path tool, carefully draw paths around the parts of the image that you wish to convert into vectors. This step is crucial for defining the areas you want to transform, so take your time to ensure accuracy and precision. Once you've completed drawing your paths, it's time to manage them through the Paths panel. You'll find this by navigating to the Windows menu, then proceeding to Dockable Dialogues, and finally clicking on Paths. This action will open a panel specifically for managing the paths you've created. Inside the Paths panel, locate the path you wish to export. Right-click on it, and from the context menu that appears, choose Export Path, then select SVG as the format. SVG, standing for Scalable Vector Graphics, is an ideal format for vectors as it allows them to be resized without losing quality. Perfect for web graphics, logos, and illustrations. After choosing to export as an SVG, a dialog box will prompt you to decide on a file name and a location on your computer where you'd like to save the file. Enter your preferred file name and choose a convenient location. Then click Export to save your SVG file. It's important to keep in mind that GIMP doesn't directly convert entire images into vector formats. Unlike other graphic design software like Illustrator, GIMP focuses on exporting the paths you've created as SVG files, which means you'll only be converting the specific parts you've traced with the Path tool into vector format. Thanks for following along with this tutorial on converting files to SVG using GIMP. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on graphic design and digital image editing. Happy creating!